As we move deeper in the Lord, let us meditate what effect will be upon our lives if we do not detach from our attachments. One of the powerful effects is that it disturbs our focus. Maybe we do not understand. At times, I may like a cricket match and I am watching the cricket match. And if I am not able to see the cricket match, maybe the finals, I will be totally disturbed throughout the day. Or if my team is losing, I will be disturbed for 2 or 3 days. My focus from my creator is moved to the creation. Similarly, some individuals find it difficult to concentrate throughout their day if their starting portion of the day does not go well. Let us remember this is an effect of attachment. Maybe some of us are attached to coffee, some of us are attached to particular things such as eatables. Maybe some of us require non-veg regularly, some of us require particular kind of food. It is not because of our health, but because of our attachment that we start to lose. Let us surrender to God to break this attachment and give us a focus on God. An unproductive mind and unproductive soul is a result of strong attachment which is not authored from above or which is not granted from above. Let us make a short prayer. Mighty Lord, we surrender to you. Break our attachments. Set us free. Help us to focus more on you. Harabababababishiri kalkalakara babababababishiri kalkalakara. Harabashiri bababababa shalakalakala bababababishiri kalkalakala bababababishiri kalkalakara. Raidali alakalakara bababababishiri kalkalakala bababababa. Amen. Shalom.